I didn't complain because with Lily around, I never felt lonely. Our parents said Lily was our family's top priority for protection.
This is such an extreme angle,
from a young age, I've always protected her from the shadows. But we never imagined that after just 1 year of high school, Lily would end up like this. The doctor said we needed to be careful with Lily's emotions. I stroked Lily's forehead and whispered, "Lily, big sister will definitely avenge you." Just then, a jarring phone ringtone broke the silence. Lily's face turned ghostly pale. She covered her ears and started screaming. I picked up the phone and opened the message. It was a video. In it, Lily was being held down under a faucet in the bathroom, her wet hair plastered to her cheeks. Her face was red from choking on water. The perpetrators were laughing hysterically in the background. "If I catch you talking to him again, I'll scratch up your face. See how you like seducing boys in our class then?" The video ended with this threat from